Welcome back to my channel, my dear viewers. And today I came across another testnet, and I'll be showing you how to go about the testnet. A lot of my guys have been complaining that they can't really use the testnet, so I'll be making a video so as for all to benefit. And please don't procrastinate on this, just try and run it ASAP. At least we can all see that among the testnets we've been running for a while now, Algo Fund has actually paid among the testnets, and hopefully others will also pay soon, hopefully. So let's always try and run the testnet. We are not really using our actual funds. Testnets are being provided, that's faucets are being provided for you to use to run your testnet. So I don't see any reason why you should be holding back. So I'll be showing you the guide, and I'll be showing you the links, and also I'll be dropping the links in the video description section. Let me show you. This is the procedure. This, you can see, anytime you see set RPC on Metamask, you definitely know that you're only using Metamask. So the first thing I need to do now is, let me go to my Metamask first. Let me use my Metamask wallet. Okay, let me use this. So this is my Metamask wallet. You can imagine, I've actually claimed this faucet for some days. It did not drop, so I could not even run this testnet. This is a different testnet actually, so I couldn't run it because it did not drop, so I had to forfeit the testnet. So, and I was actually on the verge of making a video, so as it did not drop, I had to ignore it. So now you see, I can now find the matic in my wallet. Imagine. So now what I'll do is, I need to add that RPC. As I always tell you, to add RPC you need to go to network. Click here, go to networks, settings is under settings, networks is under settings, you can see. Then you click on add network. The network name, just put it as you see it in this. I will copy and paste everything in the video description. So the name is Astar Testnet Shibuya. If you like, you can just copy it and paste. Sorry, it's supposed to be Astar. Is it Astar or Astar? I don't know. It's actually Astar. I'm writing exactly as it's written here, so it's Astar. So I'll copy the RPC now. I'll paste the RPC URL. Paste. Then the chain ID. What is the chain ID? It's 1. The chain ID is it's 1. The symbol is actually optional, but I always like to put everything. So it's not even written here, there's no symbol, so you just keep it. You go for Explorer. Explorer means where you can search for these Shibuya tokens, just like BS scan, Ether scan, Soul scan, Algo Explorer. So that's what this means. So you click on add. Click on add. It's slowing down, so it will come up. So this is it. So this is Shibuya testnet. You can see we don't have, so it supports Ethereum. You can see that's why Ethereum displays automatically. So but the tokens we need now is, we need to claim some faucets. So to claim faucets now, wow, you actually need to go through Discord. That's what I'm just saying now, and I've not even joined this Discord yet. So I know some people don't even know how to go about Discord. I have a video on how to run Discord, how to use Discord. You can check it on my channel. You see videos on how to run Discord. I even made 2 videos: how to make money with your Discord, how to get jobs with your Discord, how to grind with your Discord to qualify for whitelist, and how to use Discord generally. You can check for them, you see them on my channel. So let me click on the Discord link. It will redirect me to Discord. Yep, let's go to Discord. Verify. I need to verify first. So you read your instruction. I'm told that hello Dgen, welcome to standard protocol. Click this sign to verify and enter Discord. What I'll do is just take note of what I'm doing. You see that it's I'll multi-tap it so that it will make it faster. Something like this, you can see. Just keep saying this, but I'll continue. So it doesn't have minimum or maximum amount. This is the amount I just choose. You can see. Oh, I should have shown you first. At the being, before I click that, if I should check this menu, you might see like maybe it's only half servers I can access under this server. Only maybe few groups I can access if I have not verified. But since I've verified, it's already showing everything. So that's why you can see everything here. So they said when we come to Discord, we have click Shibuya faucet-sby. Is there any group like Shibuya faucet-sby? Look for that. Yep, this is it. You can find it. Shibuya faucet. No, sorry. This is Shibuya faucet SBY. This is it. Wow. So we need to drop address, then the bot will automatically send SBY to it will automatically send this to us. So I need to know what people are doing for the bot to send to them. Okay, you need to use exclamation mark drip. This is what we'll do. Exclamation mark. Make sure you close the space. There should be no space between the mark and the drip. Then you put space. Then I'll copy my address now. I'll go to, okay, let's say receive, copy, go back, paste. You just give a space between the drip and your wallet address, then you paste. So you can see automatically immediately it said one SBY has been sent to so address, which is my address. Then I will go back now. Let's go and check. I'm actually here to see it. I'm refreshing the wallets. I don't know if it will come automatically or I have. Okay, you can see it is now 1 Ethereum. So now let me go back to the menu to check what's next. They said this is testnet link. Click on the testnet link. Let's go. You now go to the browser. Once you go to the browser, you search. Click on search button. Close this, paste, then search. So now you can see this is my balance 1.46. Then I'll need to connect my wallet. This one, it's more like the algo name service I made some days ago. You are buying a domain name. So now you search a domain name. You have to search for a name that no one has ever used, because domain name always it has to be unique. So let me search if this name is available. You can see the name is available, IB is available. So I'll pick it, then buy now. So 5+ character domain is 0.1 SBY and I have 1, so I think I have enough to buy it. So let me go for it. Then I'll sign the transaction, confirm. Please don't joke with this kind of airdrops, especially when it's on, you can see it's Ethereum blockchain. I don't joke with Ethereum. Anything that has to do with Ethereum airdrop, anything, don't joke with it. I'm sure all of you see what happened with ApeCoin recently, where guys are getting millions of dollars as airdrops. You can see some did not even do anything. All you need to do is have some amount of BAYC in your wallet, and automatically you get the airdrop. You get the ApeCoin. That's it. So please and please don't joke with this. Please, I'm begging. So now what I need you to do is, if you are here to click on this, if you are here to subscribe to the channel, please just check below this video and click on that subscribe button, please. This will just show as a way of just supporting me and saying thank you to me. I'm not asking for much. Please just click on the subscribe button, and also you can share with your friends and family so that they can also gain from this, learn and gain from this video as well. Thank you very much for always watching, and thank you for always being there with me. Thank you very much. See you again next time.